NIT's Corporate Learning Group provides training outsourcing to global multinational companies typically headquartered in the US and Europe. Corporate training is perhaps the last bastion for outsourcing. Corporates around the world have outsourced most non-core activities, including IT, procurement, accounting, HR, and so on. But training has largely remained in-house. No large company has all the trainers and content developers across all subject domains. Therefore, the work is largely insourced and procured in a very distributed manner from many boutique suppliers, leading to inefficiencies and low effectiveness. While training outsourcing is just beginning to take off today, the potential is huge and will mirror the growth and maturity curve of the IT and BPO outsourcing industry going forward. Companies typically today spend on an average 2% of their cost base on training. Compare this to 4% spent on IT, and it's not very different. Various estimates of global spending on training by companies is between US 150 billion to 300 billion. However, less than 5% of Fortune 2000 companies have outsourced training. That is beginning to change and represents a huge potential. For example, a global bank recently gave out a comprehensive 5-year outsourcing contract worth more than £50 million per year. Such deals are likely to become more and more frequent in the coming years. The Corporate Learning Group, or CLG, is the largest contributor to NIT's revenue and has had strong growth over the last few years as NIT moved away from the projects business to Managed Training Services, or MTS. MTS now forms the bulk of NIT's corporate learning business. Under MTS, corporates entrust one or more activities, or what we call service towers, under their training function to NIT to manage. Just like IT outsourcing consists of application development, application maintenance, infrastructure management, testing, and IT consulting, MTS consists of towers like content development, training delivery, training administration, strategic sourcing, and advisory services. In content development, NIT is responsible for developing all custom learning content on any subject domain, which could range from a simple work manual to a presentation, or an online course, or a video-based course, or even an advanced first-person simulation game. A large part of this content development activity can be offshored to anywhere in the world. NIT has the world's largest content development factory in Gurgaon, with over 800 professionals working exclusively on content development. In training delivery, which is the second tower, NIT takes over the entire delivery of training across a wide range of subjects, using a judicious mix of NIT's own faculty as well as a pool of third-party individual contractors around the world, so that we are able to deliver in multiple languages to customer needs in every country. Learning delivery can be done face-to-face, which will be delivered on-site, but could also be done in a virtual instructor-led training mode, which can be done from any location, including offshore locations. The third tower is training administration. This is like a specialized business process management function for the training activity of a company. Essentially, all administrative activities of the internal training function, from tracking training requirements to organizing training to measuring and reporting the output improvements on training, is now done entirely by NIT using our offshore training administration factory. NIT has an in-house LMS which forms the technology backbone for NIT to provide these services across the globe from a remote location. In case customers have already invested in their own LMS, then NIT does this on any third-party LMS as well. The fourth service tower is strategic sourcing. When you look at large multinational companies, each of these require training on a large number of subjects and at many distributed locations, so they end up working with several hundred to a few thousand vendors each year because of the geographical and linguistic requirements. They do not want, however, the headache of managing and procuring services from such a large number of these vendors. NIIT provides a specialized sourcing service to address this problem that customers face. It is strategic sourcing because NIIT is responsible for identifying all areas of cost duplication and improving efficiency, as well as vendor evaluation for the effectiveness of all the programs and content that are delivered by these partners, and where possible, replace some of these with either NIIT or third-party services. The last tower is advisory services. Here, NIIT has a team of elite training professionals who provide advisory services to customers to help them align their training plans with their organizational strategy and business goals. The team also works with the other service towers to improve client satisfaction and to go beyond the executing on client expectations to proactively identify and drive new initiatives for greater value creation. Unlike the early days of IT outsourcing, there are only a few large companies like NIIT driving the supply for training outsourcing in the world today. Of the top 5 or 6 companies capable of offering training outsourcing, only 2, including NIIT, are specialist, niche-focused training companies. NIIT is the only training company with a significant on-site, nearshore, and offshore capability. NIIT today provides managed training services to over 25 global multinationals. The focus verticals for NIIT, beside technology and telecom, where NIIT has always been traditionally very strong, are energy, where Shell and Statoil are among NIIT's customers, the BFSI sector, where companies like Citibank and Bank of America are our customers, and the pharma sector, where we work with companies like Glaxo and Quintiles. All of these are marquee customers which only like to work with Tier 1 vendors. The contracts are always multi-billion dollar annuity contracts spread over 3 to 5 years. And we have been adding 1 to 2 logos every quarter. NIIT works strategically with our customers to help them run training as a business. What we do here is to help CLOs get a seat at the strategy table of the company, not only making training more efficient, but also more importantly, helping them measure and drive better return on investment on the training expenditure of their companies. Today, we have a set of very happy customers in CLG, and we are gradually getting more business from each one of them. Most of our existing MTS contracts started as a single tower engagement and are then ramped up over a period of time, both in terms of scope of work and in terms of geographical reach. Going forward, we have a 3-point agenda on how we want to take this business to the next level. Firstly, we wish to drive up the ticket size and annuity of the initial engagement, given that we have now a demonstrated track record of managing large, comprehensive engagements. Second, driving up the margins in the business through 2 initiatives. Firstly, improving our product mix towards higher margin services and towers. And secondly, through productivity improvement of the delivery operations. And finally, we wish to enhance our growth rates and our sector market presence and our capabilities through carefully selected inorganic growth initiatives.